Hey guys, Planet Everything here, and today we are going to be designing a hole punch on Fusion 360. So, yeah, that's the designing process. I'm printing it, and tomorrow I'll probably make a video on the actual thing and see if it works. If not, then I'll see what doesn't work about it and create a new one. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also please share it with your friends because, you know, sharing is caring.